In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple audio in Adobe Express. First, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the project where you want the audio to appear, because this will let you place everything directly into your existing timeline. If your video is already set up, this process becomes very quick and easy. Once your project is open, move your attention to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Find the upload option and click it. As soon as you do, your computer's file browser will open. This is where you'll choose the audio files you want to bring into Adobe Express. Now, locate the audio files on your computer. To upload more than one file at the same time, select one audio file first, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the other audio files you want to add. This allows you to choose multiple files in a single upload instead of repeating the process one by one. It's a simple time saver, especially if you're working with background music, voice clips, sound effects, or different layers of audio for the same project. After selecting all the audio files you want, click Upload or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Adobe Express will then begin importing those files into your project. Depending on the size and number of your audio files, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. Once the upload is complete, look down at your timeline. You should now see your audio files added there, and they'll be placed in separate tracks. This is helpful because it keeps each audio file independent, making it easier to organize, move, trim, or adjust them later if needed. If you don't see everything right away, just wait until the upload fully finishes and check the timeline again. And that's it. That's how you add multiple audio files in Adobe Express. As long as you upload them together using the file browser and the Control key, Adobe Express will bring them into your project and place them on separate tracks in the timeline, ready for editing.